Are you thinking about buying another home but need to sell your current home first? That's the contingency that we're talking about today. Hey everyone, I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty. Although there are other contingencies to a contract like the loan contingency, the inspection contingency, and the appraisal contingency, today we're mainly focused on the contingency of when you want to buy another home, but you also have another home that you need to sell as well. Can this be done? And how do you make it happen? Yes, it can be done, and I've been involved in many contingent transactions like these over the years. If you're a big mama or a big daddy warbucks and you have money like that and able to pay cash for your next home, a contingent offer is not an issue for you. But for the majority of people, they're going to need the funds from their current home in order to purchase their next home. So one of the first things that I would advise you to do is to speak with a lender and understand if you're able to get a loan to purchase a new home, non-contingent, upon the sale of your home. If you qualify for the loan, this is the easiest solution for you because it will allow you enough time to really search and find a home that suits you and your family's needs without feeling the pressure of having to find a home right away. However, in this scenario, you could end up in a situation where you would have to pay 2 mortgages at the same time until your current home sells. But in a strong seller's market, a contingent offer isn't very attractive to a seller because there's so many things that could go wrong with this type of transaction. And with so many other buyers in the market that don't have this contingency, the seller could just bypass you and accept an offer from another buyer and sell to them without having to worry about if they have another home to sell or not. If, as the buyer, you have to purchase another home contingent on your home selling, you should already have your home listed on the market and already under contract, preferably through the inspection period already with the buyer who's purchasing your home. That way you know that they're not going to back out of buying your home. Why? Because this will make your offer look stronger and less risky to the seller, and that will give you a better chance of getting your offer accepted. However, if your home isn't already listed on the market, this is a much more risky approach and can greatly reduce your chances of getting your offer accepted, especially in a market like we're in right now. But you still have a chance of possibly getting your offer accepted depending on how long has the property been on the market, is the home overpriced, or what's the personal situation and motivation of the seller to get the home sold. When you write an offer that's contingent on the sale of your home, here's some things to consider as well, especially if your home isn't listed. If anything goes wrong with the sale on your current home and the contract falls through, you could lose the home that you're trying to purchase. Also, the seller can continue to show the home to other potential buyers even after accepting your offer. So another offer comes in prior to you getting your home under contract, the seller can accept that new offer and notify you that you have 3 days to remove your contingency to purchase the home, and if you're unable to remove the contingency, you will lose the home and have to start all over from square one again. Just keep in mind, anytime there's a contingency in place, there's always a risk that a transaction could fall through until all contingencies are removed. If you're thinking about buying or selling in North Phoenix, or the surrounding areas, and you have questions regarding this type of contingency or any other questions, I have answers. Contact me. I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty, where we're up all night closing the deal.